Welcome guys, this is Parth and we have the channel which is Secure 7 and this video is the installation video which is guided installations of Garuda Linux. We have the Garuda Linux is better for your like we say gaming editions, provided Dragonized editions, Genome editions is here, Cinnamon edition is here. There is many editions are here in Garuda Linux. So this is the minimum requirements of Garuda Linux is 30 GB of storage is the lowest storage and 4 GB RAM. Video card with OpenGL 3.3 and 64-bit system. So nowadays we have a 64-bit system is all of ons. Our Windows has a 64-bit. Okay, so installation procedure is the booting the PC. We are trying to. Here is the login session, which is a Garuda. Garuda is the password and username of Garuda, and trying to installations on the VMware VirtualBox. On the VirtualBox, we are downloaded already and installed already, and we are working the vulnerable machines on the VirtualBox. So we're trying to install in the VirtualBox. Opening VirtualBox here on the VirtualBox. Go here, and we are trying to installation a Dragonized version, which is you can direct download from Cloudflare and go to here and new machine, and name of the machine is Garuda, and selecting file, we install in this file, and ISO file is here. Trying to select ISO file in our recognized version. Open this and trying to. Here is the Linux and Oracle, not Oracle Linux. This is the Debian. So we newest version of Debian. So 12 is a bookworm. And to Debian. Okay. This is the Debian version, and all set. Move into the next part, which is a base memory, which is providing a 4 GB as the website say, and trying to CPU in a high mode. Okay, so here is the disk space 20 GB. So here is talking about 30 GB, but we have provided 20 GB. And next finishing this machine, powering on this machine and seeing what the new in this machine from the Kali Linux and Parrot OS. Okay, so Garuda is powering up. Okay, so here is the welcome environment, which is okay, so automatically detect the testing the machine. Testing desktop desktop FS, and taking some time for the first boot up of Garuda Linux. We're trying to installations, and there is a services which is wiki, package repository, start page, privacy policy here, and here is download section, GitLab, Telegram, and Blue Sky. Okay, taking some time. Okay, so here is Garuda Linux is powering up, and we're trying to in a full screen mode, which we have to best experience of this machine. Taking some more time for the powering up. Okay, so we have the environment which is Garuda OS. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, here is some graphics, very good graphics for Garuda OS. Logo is dragon, which is a dragonized edition. Is this Garuda Linux? Okay, so we have the here for Garuda assistance here and loading all the here. Here is the UI is better and dragonized version, which is provide the like a dragonized GUI. So we go to here and type of development. Here is the Iron browser. On the graphics is Ocular. Internet has the Avahi SSH server browser, Fire Dragon, multimedia, Office is here, firewall, Garuda, settings manager here, systems and utilities here. Here is the best for the minimum system requirements and we have such a no more RAM and storage here. So we're trying to installing this Linux version which we who has the like minimum system requirement. I have the laptop which is a Dell laptop. I have the minimum system requirement which I have buy the laptop in 2028 around 2018. So this is the laptop is minimum requirement is 4 GB and 256 GB SSD is here. So I try to install in my laptop for the best experience of and best output of my laptop. It is helpful for me. And here is the file system is here. Like we have the same file system of Windows here. You can install Garuda Linux on the our boot up section, which is here is the process, which we can double click on this, and here is to trying to installing this Garuda Linux. Okay, so here is the GUI of Garuda Linux installation. This installation is a full installation. So here is the error, which is I required the 20 GB on the our installation process, so you can increase the storage space and trying to install the you can permanently install this Garuda Linux for your best experience. And this is about the installation video, and thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. If you other installations guide, you can comment down and of comment down of OS name. I will make a video on this OS. So thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe.